Welcome to this video, guys. We're going to talk about adult marketing in this video and teach you how you can make $10,000, but we're also going to try and make $10,000 in the next few hours or more.
Don't try.
Today.
Don't try, just do it.
Just do it! And we're going to do the niche of midget porn. It's a very big... Just kidding. It makes so much money. No, man, I'm just kidding. But we're going to basically pick a very hot offer that might convert really high. That's what hot offer means.
Yep.
And then we're going to promote it with a site called Plug Rush. And there's a lot of them. You're going to learn everything about adult marketing here, guys, in this video. We are going to make some flipping money and teach you how to make some flipping money, which is more important. So stay tuned because this can change your life.
Yep, everything we're going to do in this video, you guys can basically replicate yourself. So today we're just going to be filming basically us trying it and seeing what happens. So will we make money, guys, or will we not?
We're going to make some flipping money!
Flip the money.
Demonetized.
Demonetized.
Demonetized. Alright guys, so in case you didn't know, using adult marketing, using adult traffic is a huge opportunity in the world right now, okay? I just did a quick Google search, so look at this. Apparently, according to Google, there are over 40 million people who visit adult sites every single day.
Yeah.
Pretty insane. So,
yeah, that's crazy.
yeah, as far as like traffic goes, like that is one of the biggest out there. And why else would someone want to use adult traffic?
Dude, literally the same people on Facebook are on these adult sites, okay? And some of the biggest sites in the world are adult sites. They get billions of freaking impressions per month, like billions. And there's just so much traffic. So if you know this about Facebook, on Facebook ads you can actually get banned and they're very strict. But with adult, they're not strict at all. You can run in any niche you want. You could do adult offers, but you can also do health offers, you can do wealth offers, and all sorts of different offers. You could even sell like a casino offer and stuff like this. But anyway, at the end of the day, the cost of traffic is super cheap too. So it's a super big opportunity. It's something no one talks about, so we're here to talk about it and explain to you this huge opportunity for you that can literally change your life. So let's dive in. All right, guys, so this is Crack Revenue right here, and we're gonna pick an offer to promote, as you can very well see. And right off the bat, top offers is what you want to do right here, okay? So here we got Jerkmate, that's weird. We got My Free Cams, that's weird. We got Sex Emulator, that's really weird.
I want
And
to experience that sex emulator.
trust me, you don't want to.
How would
You know
you
what that is?
I don't know, bro.
Exactly.
Royal Cams is the next one, so we're gonna decide between these. And from what I see, let's do not a $2 payout. We're gonna do something pretty high payout, okay? So we're gonna do like maybe this one or this one, okay? What do you want to do, Matt?
Simulation.
The emulator one?
The simulator, yeah.
Okay. So that pays $50.
Plus it's $50, yeah. So I mean, you know.
So yeah, you could spend quite a bit. It's all about targeting. It's about how you target people, and it needs to be a good offer. So we're just gonna try this one and blow it up to proportions, and hopefully make 10K plus.
Okay, so let me see how many.
And our budget's gonna be like 5K for this. We'll talk about it more in the Plug Rush setup here, but we're gonna do this one right here. We need to blur some stuff when we click on this, so we'll blur that out. Okay, yeah. So your link is right here. You just get your link, guys, and you're all set. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We just get the link and direct link. We're not doing any funnels. Or any pre-sale pages or anything. And look, it tells you exactly top performing countries are right there. So that's how we're gonna run it. So this is Chatterbait, another offer we could do. Its payout isn't crazy high as far as we know because it's just a rev share, but it's lifetime forever payout.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, but it's only 15%. But okay, so we could promote this, we might not, we might do it. There's another offer back here, Royal Cams. It's another cam offer.
Oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, like Royal Cam. Pretty much.
Oh, Royal Cam. There's Chatterbait, then there's Royal Cams apparently, and then there is one called My Free Cams right here. That one pays $2. This one actually looks like it actually has the highest EPC. We actually should run with this one. I think we're gonna run with this one. It has the highest EPC, 0.02. Okay, and the traffic we're gonna be getting is like 0.0000 something. Like it's very low, so our profit margin should be there. So that's all we gotta do. Just run it to this one. It doesn't matter the payout, it just matters that we make a higher EPC, which is earnings per click. So we're going to run with My Free Cams. What do you think, Matt?
Let's do this.
All right, let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? We are going to build the campaign right now. We're going to put $10,000 into this campaign. We got $12,000 right here, and here we go. So let's name it My Free
Boobies!
Oh, gosh. We're going to target adult for sure. We could do mainstream. We're going to do desktop. That's usually the best. Then we're going to do pause.
Really?
Yeah. And then here's our affiliate link right here. Boom.
I usually do everything on mobile.
Then we're going to do quick select of the high quality traffic regions of the world. And actually, we're just going to leave it. Yeah. No, literally, these are. Yeah, I've done this before, and this is how you do it. Okay. And you can literally flip cash so quick. Okay. So we do that right there. We go down. I can't see past that. So let's see. Okay. That's good like that. But we need to do accelerated spending. Okay. So we don't want it to be distributed throughout the day. We want it to be super approved quick and spend the money like fast. One visit per 24 hours is good. If we update over here, we'll see something. Okay, let's see. Oh, spend immediately right there. And the total traffic we have. We're going to do a cost per click of less than how much the offer pays out for sure. Our budget's going to be 10K. And we're actually just going to leave it at the suggested cost per click. And our EPC, it can be very common that the EPC we get from our offers higher than the one it even says over on Crack Revenue. It can be extremely higher than that, okay? So this is how we build it. Now we press approve. Boom, let's go. Peace.
Got him, boys! Let's go! Let's go now. Oh, I got it! Oh, I got it, bro! This guy right there. That guy's done. Oh! That was like, let's go. Another one? Yeah. Let's go!
I'm about to go chase him.
Oh! What? You are in the air. I didn't kill anybody, I just died. This game is so much. It's too big.
You broke it.
I did? Yeah. How about you need one? Okay.
Well, what's that?
No! Go to the bar, guys.
Boom!
I did not go to the bar.
Boom, got it! Boom, got it! Boom! It's better just to back up this time. We just got it right there.
What's that
Right there.
That was his gun. That was his gun.
Get in, push it!
Yeah!
That's right.
Yeah, no, they're real.
No. They're like shocks.
Whoa! Right there. Oh! I guess.
We win! Well done. Alright guys, now we're going to tell you literally how you can make money with adult traffic, okay? Now this is how you do it, okay? Minty's going to tell you.
Personally, what I would do is literally just send a bunch of hot offer that burns like wildfire.
Yes.
Hot offers, and I promise you, you're gonna make so much freaking money!
And the truth is, you can get within any vertical really and find success. You can get within male enhancement, love, dating, all these. You can find great success in all those.
You guys can do a hot offer in any vertical, but the other element to just crush it with adult marketing is all you need is just a ton of traffic, which adult traffic does have, and it's super cheap. So there's T for traffic, and there's a fire flame right there, which equals money! Right there. You see the money? Okay. So that's the formula, literally, to just crushing it online, okay? I'm telling you, if you pick a high converting offer with a high EPC in any niche, then just send adult traffic to it, you can crush it. But there's one more thing. You want to also possibly make a funnel. A funnel with a series of steps where you can collect emails, collect payments, and in the back end do affiliate offers, okay? But on the front end, you're getting like adult traffic. That's how you really, really crush it. But today we're just doing a quick flip of cash to show you guys you can make money with adult traffic. It's crazy, okay? So there you go. You wanna make some adult money?
Yeah, let's go.
You wanna make some adult money? Let's go. Hit it. Come on.
Y'all got this.
Do it for the girls, Vincent.
Nice car. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, when you guys are setting all of this up, there's a lot of different like platforms that you can use for the adult traffic. We're gonna start listing just a few of them for you right here. So the first one is gonna be ClickBank. I think most of you guys know what ClickBank is. That is by far the most popular. It's not adult, but the whole point of this is you can take the adult traffic and push it to non-adult stuff. It doesn't have to be all adult.
It's like an affiliate, pretty much.
Yeah. Another one, if you guys want to be promoting actual adult offers, probably the biggest one is called crack revenue.
Yeah, it's like crack.
Yeah.
You're selling crack.
It's pretty much like crack, yeah. Crack revenue is all adult stuff, so.
And digit stuff. The digit stuff. The digit stuff.
Next thing you guys can look at is called OfferVault. It's essentially like a search engine for a bunch of different platforms you can look at. So if you're having a hard time choosing, go check out OfferVault.
Next one is going to be CPA Grip.
Hi.
Okay.
I have a funny story, guys. So the first time I went on CPA Grip, my mouse like ran out of battery, and I was like moving my mouse like trying to get it to work, and it wouldn't work, and I thought the site was broken, so like I didn't use it. But then I went to another site and my mouse was still not working, and I realized my mouse just died. So make sure you guys' mouse are charged when you're doing this.
That's great. Good job.
And
no
we
sense.
got VIP offers.
VIP offers.
VIP offers.
Ad Combo is a really great one. If you guys don't like the other ones, yeah, I highly recommend you go check out Ad Combo.
And the next one is going to be Vice offer, guys. As sad as it may be, I actually am not. I actually still have not been accepted on Vice offer.
Yo, what's up? So basically, guys, all of these networks right here you can make money with. That's the whole point of this, is to give you a bunch of networks. Now, you can make $1 million or more with just one network. You don't need all these, okay? So just remember that. And next, we're gonna talk about all the traffic sources you can use for adult to send traffic to these different offers on these networks.
So let's show them the board real quick.
Let's do it. Hey guys, what's up? So this right here is a list we have for you in this section of the video. A whole list of traffic sources you can use to make money with adult marketing. These are huge traffic sources. They're basically like Facebook for adult marketing. Okay, you can make a lot of money with just one of these. So just pick one. We're going to talk about them here. This right here is Traffic Junkie. One of the biggest by far. They own this site right there. And yeah.
I was actually on it last night.
And the reason why was to study. Okay, not to do anything.
Yes.
Only to study.
It's only to study, nothing
Only
that has
to
to do with
spy on
like,
ad campaigns,
you know,
right?
midget porn or none of that. No, just to watch.
Literally. And they get like 100 million like views per day.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
That's a lot of humans.
Imagine if
So-
you can sell to 1,000 of those people, which
That'd
is
be-
like
that's
very,
so
very
possible.
possible. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
So this right here is ExoClick, and they're a massive platform as well. They are on all sorts of
I've
sites.
used ExoClick a lot, actually.
You have?
Yeah, one thing that you guys need to keep in mind when you're setting up your campaigns is they can take time to like approve your ads. So like when I first put my money on ExoClick, I thought they like scammed me or something because like they just weren't running. I was getting no traffic, but
Yeah.
it can take like up to a day sometimes. So just keep that in mind. But,
Yeah, and once
ExoClick
again,
is great. Yeah, they have a ton of impressions as well. So
8.5.
they got all sorts of
Billion.
ad formats,
Yes.
all this stuff. So they're great.
That's billion, bro.
Next,
That's a lot of people.
Traffic Factory. So tell us about Traffic Factory. It's a very good traffic source, and in fact, it's actually mainly the site it uses and advertises with is called X Videos. Okay, so that's like a huge site in adult. And if you wanted to advertise on that one, this is your site to go to.
There's 6 billion people on that site every
that's a lot.
freaking day. Every
I've never
minute.
used that one, but that's
crazy.
So the next one is called Arrow Advertising. This one's great because they have a lot of different types of ads you can do, like pop under ads or like mobile ads. Like they have a bunch of different things you can look at. So I've never used Arrow personally, but I know that
I have actually used Arrow
Oh, you
personally.
have?
Yeah, it's me personally, in my opinion, is one of the best traffic sources. Like, that's like banger. You can make a lot of money with that.
kind of the same thing.
Juicy ads. Juicy
So
ads.
yeah, guys, this is a juicy network right here. Just kidding. It's actually one of the smaller ones networks. They have mainly pop under ads. They do have some banner ad targeting, but I've only used them for the pop under ads. They don't have so many placements that it's crazy, and they're not the biggest site out there, but they're kind of an underground network. Okay,
It
so
still
they're pretty
works,
good.
though. It's still people going to these
It
sites.
is still people on it. Yeah.
Like, if you guys think about how many people are going online at night and going towards, and that these ads are getting in front of, it's insane the amount of people that
At
are
night.
that these ads are getting shown to on the daily.
Literally, especially worldwide. It's not just one country, bro. It's like everywhere.
Traffic Force.
Yeah, guys, Traffic Force right here. Very good quality network.
Very, very good.
They got some ad platform network platform. This network right here has a lot of different ad formats. They are very, very juicy.
Okay, the next one, you guys, is called Zero Park. I've used this one a lot as well. Zero Park, in my opinion, has one of the best, like, easy-to-use interfaces.
I actually use Zero Park,
all of
too.
them. Some of them are kind of confusing, but yeah, Zero Park, it's really simple, really easy to set up.
Yeah,
Large
absolutely.
inventory and a fast campaign setup.
Okay, this right here. This right here is called Grand Slam Media. At Grand Slam Media, they're hiring right now, so go freaking get employed by them.
All right, I'm out.
And Grand Slam Media, I think they're kind of like members area traffic, like actual buyers inside these members areas of these different adult like memberships, and like you can advertise in front of those buyers. So it's really powerful. They're a smaller underground network as well. You can leverage them. But real quick to close off here, I recommend definitely Traffic Junkie. I recommend ExoClick. I recommend Traffic Factory, Plug Rush, Arrow Advertising, and Juicy Ads. Okay, those are the top ones for sure. Oh yeah, and Zero Park. But at the end of the day, the top two, Traffic Junkie and ExoClick. All right, guys, we're gonna do airsoft.